Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will create a full page 3D title animation in Adobe After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I will create a new composition for our text animation. I will set the width to 960 and height to 100. And now I will create a new solid and set the color of the solid to blue. And I will write a new text. I will center line the text by pressing Ctrl Alt Home and Ctrl Home. And now our first text composition is ready. I will name it as text 1 and I will duplicate it now. And this is text 2. What I will do, I will interchange the color between background and text. So the text color will be blue and the background will be yellow. To change the background color, I will use the fill effect. And okay, this is good. And I will change the text color. And I will enable this background. So our both text composition are ready. Now I will animate this text composition in moving left to right and right to left. For that purpose, click on this composition and drag it to create it under a new composition and rename it as text 1 PR. And I will use the effect that is called offset. Now what I will do, I will keyframe this shift center to and move this text composition from left to right. Now you can see it is animating from left to right. I will do now this for the second text composition. Drag it under a new composition layer and rename it as text 2 PR. I will use the same effect offset, but now I will move from right to left because in this we are already moving from left to right. Now keyframe this, shift center to press U to reveal the keyframes. Now you can see it is moving from right to left. Now I will create a new composition and rename it as a vertical comp and change the width to somewhat 400 and height to 1920. Now I will use this text 1 PR and 2 PR. Rotate it to 90 and enable the full. Okay, now I will add the second text and also change its rotation to 90. Now you can see these both are here. Now select them both and press Ctrl D. It will duplicate them and move to the side. Perfect. Now again select them all, press Ctrl D to duplicate them, change the label color to differentiate between them and move them above. Now this is okay. This is good. Now what we need to do, it's time to create our final composition, and we will create a final composition and set the width to 9020 and height by 1080. and we will set its duration to 6 seconds. Now what we will do, I will add this vertical composition here and change the angle to 90. Now I will use effect that is called CC cylinder, and I will make some changes like changing the radius to 150 and moving it to 40 to Z axis. Now I need to change the rotation, and first I will change the Z axis rotation to 180. Now set the Y angle to 359 and enable the keyframe, and at the end go to 0. Okay, now I need to change the lighting angle, and change its color and change the light height to, that's it, it's good. Now what I will do, I will drag it down now I will add again this vertical composition and rotation to 90, and I will use the same CC cylinder here, and I will make some changes here like radius to 150, changing the Z position to 40. Now it's time to change also the Z rotation, and from there first we have moved from 359 to 0, but now we will move from 0, keyframe it and go to the end to 359. Okay, now I will make it closer, and this is good. Now what I need to do, I will change its lighting to -114 and height to 64. Now you can see these our text compositions are ready. I will duplicate them and move them above. And again duplicate it one more time. Okay, you can see these little edges are remaining. I will create a new null and parent these to null and increase size to 102. Now this problem is resolved. Now once let me show you how it is animating. You can see this looks very beautiful. So you can see we have created a new text full page animation in After Effects without use of any external plugin. I hope that this tutorial will help you. If you like the video, please do like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in next video.